Hello friends, my name is Dhruv and you are watching my YouTube channel Expert Computer Dhruv Chaudhary. So today we are going to unboxing my new Acer laptop. So let's start the video without time wasting. First of all, let me see the box of this laptop. It has given some specification of the laptop. So here it is. I enjoyed number one thing laptop. Look at this my laptop. That's good. The color of this laptop is silver white. Let's see some more photos of laptop. I had bought Acer laptop 21 days ago, so I have complete experience of this laptop. First of all, let me see you the photos of the port of this laptop. Look this. Here is right Aspire. That's looking like a premium laptop. Look this, when the laptop screen is raised, it automatically gets some down so that proper cooling can be done. Let's open the laptop. So I pressed power on button. I have installed many applications such as Android Studio, PyCharm and emulator, etc. That's why there is some delay on running this laptop. There is only 2 second delay. Look how the keyboard is glowing. Great looking keyboard. It is fun. What a wonderful lock wallpaper. I open my laptop by entering PIN which I skip for my privacy. So let's see the technical specification of this laptop. Look at the keyboard. What a great keyboard. So let's see the technical specification of the laptop. Technical specification. Acer laptop. Operating system Windows 11 Home. The processor manufacturer Intel. Processor type Core i5. The model of this processor is i5 11th generation G7 series. The speed of this processor is 2.4 GHz. Processor core quite core. Now let's talk about display and graphics. Graphic controller manufacturer Intel. Graphic controller model Intel iRisXe graphic. There is integrated graphics. Graphic memory accessibility shared. The size of this laptop screen size 39.6 centimeter, which is 15.6. Display screen type LCD. Display screen type technology Comfy View. Maintain plane switching IPS technology. The mode of this screen is Full HD. The technology of backlit keyboard is LED. The resolution of this laptop screen is 920 into 180p. Now let's talk memory specification. Standard memory 8 GB, but you can expand 20 GB, which is too good. Memory technology DDR4 SDRAM. There is no card reader. Now let's talk about storage specification. Solid state drive configuration 1 into 20 256 GB. Hard disk drive capacity is 1 TB. Solid drive Solid state drive interface NVMe. There is no optical drive. Now let's talk about network and communication. Wireless LAN standard IE 802.11, AGN ACAX, Ethernet technology, Gigabit Ethernet, Bluetooth standard Bluetooth 5.0. Now let's talk built-in device. There is one microphone. There is no fingerprint reader. There are two speakers on this laptop. The mode of the sound is stereo. There is one camera which is only 5 megapixel. Interface and ports HDMI 2.0 is supported. Yes. Number of HDMI port is 1. Number of USB 2.0 port is 1. Number of USB 3. Generation 1 and Type A port is 2. Number of USB 3. Gen 1 Type C port is 1. Total number of USB port is 4. USB Type C is yes. USB Type C detail. USB Type C port. USB 3. Generation 1, which is speed 5 GHz per second. Network type network RJ45 is supported. Yes. Now let's talk about software specification. Operating system Windows 11 Home. Operating system architecture 64-bit. Upgradable Windows yes is supported. Yes. Now let's talk about input device specification. Pointing device type is touchpad. Keyboard is present on this laptop. Keyboard backlit yes. There is backlit keyboard. Touchpad feature now talk about touchpad feature. There is multi touch gesture. Now let's talk about battery information. Number of cell is 3 cell. Battery chemistry is lithium ion battery. Maximum battery runtime is 8 hours. According to me, the maximum battery runtime is only 4 hours. This is company's website speculation. Now let's talk about power description. Maximum power supply wattage 45 watt. Now let's talk about physical characteristic specification. The height, width, depth, weight of this laptop is 17.90 mm, 363.4 mm, 238.5 mm, and 1.90 kg respectively. The color of this laptop is silver white. Miscellaneous package content Aspire A5155650 TW notebook, lithium ion battery, AC adapter. Now let's talk about security feature. There is present firmware trusted platform module TPM solution, which is very good for security and can restore lock slot. I hope you have liked my video. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the video first and don't miss any video. If you have any query then comment me. I will reply you soon. Thanks for watching my video. So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.